April 2nd, 2010. I'm here at Grace Point, and it is windy. Look at those eucalyptus trees, those are mountain gums. And the wind is so much more fierce down here in Ganges, blowing off the open ocean. Blowing directly in my face, it is actually hard to breathe. Anyway, I got that branch chopped up over at Centennial Park and got it out of the way. Look at those. So much more wind out here. Holy cow. They said 80k gusts, and I believe it down here. I would not want to be out there on a boat. Redwood there blowing, California redwood blowing in the wind. Yeah, it looks like a tropical storm, huh? Nasty out here. Not that warm either, maybe about 7 degrees Celsius, something like that. Feels a little cooler with the wind. Yeah, it's a good windstorm.